Hey everyone, I'm Haley, the pattern designer here at Seamwork. Each month in the Seamwork classroom, we have a new sew-along class, and this month we're sewing up the Maggie swimsuit. You might be thinking, sewing a swimsuit seems hard, or I don't have the right sewing machine for that, but I'm here to tell you that you can do it. Sewing swimwear is actually really fun and empowering, and I'll be walking you through the entire process, breaking down all the tricky bits into really easy to manage steps. Let's take a look at the pattern and talk about all the cool skills you'll pick up when you're done with this class. Maggie is a fully lined two-piece swimsuit with a scoop neckline and high-waisted bottoms. It features wide-set straps, a waistband, and a slightly cheeky leg cut. Nothing too risque though. In this class, we'll help you choose fabric, gather supplies, and sew each and every step, including the tricky parts, like the elastic insertion and sewing the straps to get a really clean finish. The best thing about this class is you are not in it alone. You can connect with other sewers on the Seamwork community to chat about choosing fabric, selecting a size, and sewing up your Maggie swimsuit. It's a great place to ask questions and cheer each other on. In lesson 2, I'll share what fabrics will work for the Maggie swimsuit and share the fabrics that I chose for the photo samples. See you in the Seamwork classroom.